Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send an email campaign to Mailchimp inactive subscribers. This is incredibly useful if you want to re-engage those contacts who haven't been opening your recent emails and potentially win them back with a targeted message. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Then press Enter. Once the page loads, look for the Login button at the top right corner of the screen and click it. Sign in using your Mailchimp credentials to access your account dashboard. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left side navigation panel. Here, you'll see various menu options. Click on Audience, and when you do, an expanded menu will appear with additional choices. From this expanded menu, select Segments. This is where you'll be able to create filtered groups of your subscribers based on specific criteria. Now, you'll want to create a new segment specifically for inactive subscribers. Look for the button that says Create a Segment or New Segment and click it. This opens up the segment builder where you can define exactly who should be included in this group. Here's where it gets important. You need to set conditions that identify inactive subscribers. In the Filter Condition dropdown, select Campaign Interaction. For the statement, choose Has Not Opened, then select any campaigns from the Campaigns dropdown menu. Finally, set the time frame to any time. This combination ensures you're capturing subscribers who haven't engaged with any of your past campaigns, making them perfect candidates for a re-engagement effort. Once you've configured these conditions, click Use Segment. You'll be prompted to give your segment a meaningful name. Consider something descriptive like inactive subscribers, last 5 campaigns not opened, so you can easily identify it later. This naming convention helps keep your audience segments organized and purposeful. Now that your segment is created, it's time to build the actual campaign. Navigate back to the left navigation panel and click on Campaigns. This takes you to your campaign management area where all your email campaigns are housed. Click Create Campaign, and from the options available, select Email. This initiates the campaign creation process. You'll now need to specify who should receive this campaign. In the To section, click Add Recipients. Here's where your saved segment comes into play. Choose the segment you just created, the one containing your inactive subscribers. This ensures your re-engagement message reaches exactly the right people. From here, complete your email content with a compelling message designed to re-engage these inactive contacts. When you're satisfied with everything, you can either click Send to dispatch it immediately or schedule to send it at a more optimal time. And that's it. You've now successfully created and sent a targeted email campaign to your inactive Mailchimp subscribers, giving you a chance to reconnect with contacts who may have lost interest. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.